if you're on social media and you're a motorcyclist, you get, or whatever you are, you get a lot of related ads to certain products and stuff. So I saw one, I've always wanted something that was louder. So I saw this, I thought, well, let's give this a try. I'm sure you've probably seen this if you're on social media. So I'm going to try this. We're going to unbox it today, and then I'll have an install video also. So this here, Motohorn. These are all over Instagram, Facebook, advertising. So I always wanted a louder horn, so I figured let's give it a try. All right. So this is the way the box came. A little bit of damage on the one side. Let's open this up. So there's the contents of the box. We have a air tube, a thank you. I'm sure you guys could probably use that code. Manual. Now you can get this in either black or chrome. There's the horn itself. There's the airline fitting. Mounts. So this is metal. The horn itself is metal. Which is nice. This mount is plastic. It's got a rubber insert here. Cushion, I'm sure, so it doesn't rattle. The back cover to the horn is plastic though. All right, what else we got in here? I'm assuming this is the air pump. So a few rubber mounts, miscellaneous bolts for mounting, I'm assuming. Some washers, and the pump. A little bit of oil on the pump. Alright, there it is. So I'm pretty sure you can get this kit with an additional wiring harness. I'm not positive though, don't quote me on that. But they show you in the instructions how they want you to wire it with a relay and stuff, which is pretty simple. I have a bunch of relays laying around, so not a big deal, and a bunch of wire over on the wall. Alright, so I'm going to get this set up, and I'm sure we won't hear the true sound through the video, but we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, so I got this set up here. I got the black running to the negative, white to the positive. This is just a little harness I had made up for other stuff, working on my C10. So here's the horn. Let's see if we can hear what it sounds like. That is loud. Unreal. All right. Yeah. That is very loud, especially in a closed garage. I'm not sure if you can hear, but it made the next door neighbor's dog bark. So it's not quiet. All right. So next video, I'm going to be installing this on the Road Glide. That video might not be out for a while because it's going to take me a while to rig up the harness, find a spot that I want to mount this so it's not too obvious. I see a lot of guys on the Motohorn thing, they were putting them right alongside, right where the other horn was, the original horn. I don't know if I want to do that yet, so I might need to find a different place for it. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, this is unboxing. This was not given to me. I paid for this with my own money. This is the Motohorn horn. We'll get this thing installed. I'll have a video up for you on that, detailing the install. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.